I'm going to go over this jump starter with air compressor built in from the company. I think that's UTRAI. Great for cars, motorcycles, bikes, balls, and it's got a custom on it. A powerful jump starter, a portable power bank, a tire inflator, and a multifunctional light. That's all of the things on the side of the box there. Let's just open this up. Oh, wow. They give you a set of gloves for charging. That's actually a nice pair of gloves. You'd want to use these if you're messing with batteries. It looks like these are the actual jump cables. Positive seems to be a little longer than a negative. How about that? This is a screw. Whoa, that's a long cable. That is a long air inflator cable. I like that. USB-C, so it's an A to a C. Looks like you get a pull ring inflator, a Presto valve adapter, a basketball needle. That's crazy that that's an air inflator and a jumper box all in one. So what I'm going to do first is we're going to test out the air inflator. And I've always liked having something like this because it covers two things in one. It gives you an air inflator and a jumper box all in one. That is very handy to have something like that. Turn it on. You're just going to hold that down for a few seconds. But there's a mode button here. We can hold down the mode button. Now mine's in PSI. You can see the ball's 8 pounds. They've got them preset. And then right here is the light. Let's hold down that for a few seconds. Very bright LED light. I like an LED light. I like a flashing LED light. So if I'm airing my tire up or I've got it as a jumper box, I've got that light right there, an SOS and a kind of an on and off. To turn it off, just hold it back down for a few seconds. Let's go ahead. There's a custom on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this custom up. I'm going to go ahead and raise it to 40. So as soon as I plug it in, I'm already at 35 PSI. To start it, we're just going to hold that down. It's starting, 36. We'll see how quickly it goes to 40. I run all of my tires at 40. They can go up to 44, but I've got 40 in each one. Wow, it's already went up 2. Let's see if it shuts itself off. Well, there it is, everybody. It stopped right at 40 PSI. Well, as an air inflator, it seems to work just fine for me. And by the way, this gets a little warm from the vibration on there. So let's go ahead and let's plug in the actual jumper starter feature like this. So what we're going to do, I just plugged in the jump starter cables. Let's hook it up to the battery and see what it does. It's already going like red and green. I don't currently have a dead battery, but we're going to see what it does. Take off the positive there. And we'll see what happens when I plug this up. Well, you can see, I don't know how well you can see in the camera, but it went straight to green. I am okay to start it. So it clicked. It's actually clicking in there and it's letting me know that it's green. It is prepared to start. We've got a jumper box that seems to work just fine on that. Now, obviously, it's not complete. It's not dead, so I can't test it until... I'm not going to run my battery down just for the purpose of this video. But one thing I will do, I'll test out that and see if it charges better. Let me grab a little power. I've got some little camera batteries, and let's plug it up to USB-C and see if it charges them. Okay, so let's say we're somewhere and we need a quick power bank. We don't have anything. So you got USB 2 out, USB 1 out, and USB-C in. So we're going to use the USB 2 and see if it actually charges these batteries when I plug it up. So right away, let's see if we turn it on. Oh, wow, it went straight to charging them. So that works. The USB 2 seems to work really well. So that's great that you'd have a backup to charge your phone if you're stranded somewhere. Yep, that one works too. And it looks like you just set it down like that and you're good. It actually shows out on there. That's cool that it has that on there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the UTRAI battery bank, jump starter, air compressor. See y'all in the next video.